In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SSO with Azure AD in Freshservice. Before we jump in, here's what we're doing and why. We're creating the Freshservice application inside Azure Active Directory, so you have a managed place to configure single sign-on and control who can access Freshservice using their corporate credentials. This is the foundation that lets you centralize authentication and make sign-in simpler and more secure. Make sure you're signed in with an administrator account that has permissions to create enterprise applications. If your organization enforces multi-factor authentication, complete that prompt first. Now open a browser and go to portal.azure.com. When the Microsoft Azure portal loads, look for Azure Active Directory in the left navigation. In some tenants, it may be labeled Microsoft Entra ID. It's the same place. Click to open it. Inside Azure Active Directory, find the Enterprise Application section. This is where all gallery apps and custom enterprise apps live once they're added to your tenant. Click Enterprise Applications to open the blade, then select New Application at the top. This starts the process of adding an app from Microsoft's gallery. You'll see the application gallery search. In the search bar, type Freshworks and look for the entry labeled Freshworks, Freshservice. Freshservice is part of the Freshworks suite, so the listing uses the Freshworks name with Freshservice in parentheses. Click the result to open its details. Review the description so you're sure you've got the correct one, and then click Add. Azure will begin provisioning the enterprise application. This usually takes a few seconds. When it's ready, you'll land on the app's overview page. What you've just created is the enterprise application record that represents Freshservice in your directory. From here, you'll later configure single sign-on, assign users and groups, and review sign-in logs. But for now, the key step is complete. The Freshservice application is added to your tenant. A few quick tips to help you succeed. If you don't see the Freshworks, Freshservice listing, double-check the spelling and make sure you search the gallery, not app registrations. Enterprise applications are different from app registrations. The gallery app you just added is the correct path for SSO. If the Add button is grayed out, your account may lack the required permissions. So ask a global admin or an application admin to perform this step. And if the portal looks slightly different, use the search bar at the top to find enterprise applications quickly. With the Freshservice app now in place, you're set up to move on to configuring SSO and access assignments in your next steps.